If you have a house in Cleveland, Ohio that you'd like to get a fair cash offer on, you'd like to sell the house in its as-is condition, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perchin, and our company, Sell House Columbus. We were founded in Columbus, but I'm from Cleveland, born and raised in Cleveland, and we buy houses all over the Cleveland area. In this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Cleveland prefer to work with us as a direct buyer rather than marketing, listing, and selling their house with a real estate agent. And with us, people love us because we're an as-is buyer. I'll just cut to the chase for you. People love working with an as-is buyer because when we buy your house, you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to clean anything, and you don't need to haul anything away. There's no trips to the Home Depot, no pulling out the Windex and the paper towels, no pulling out the broom and the dustpan, no pulling out the hammer and the nails, no hiring a handyman. You don't want to have to hire anyone to come do work on the property before your buyer is willing to close. Sell to an as-is buyer for a fair price. That's exactly what we do. Sometimes when you're working with a real estate agent, you know how it is. They're going to walk through the house, they're going to want you to do some work to this thing, or they're going to have a buyer, but this buyer's using a mortgage company or using a bank loan, and now the bank wants you to do work to this thing, or the bank can change the deal or not qualify this person, waste your time. And with real estate, time is money, because every single day that was wasted working with a buyer that didn't get approved or not being able to get this transaction done, every day that's wasted is another day you got to pay utilities, you got to pay for property taxes, you got to pay for insurance. You can just bypass all of that. Cut to the chase, work with a direct buyer like us. We're going to be a cash buyer for you, and it's as-is conditions, so you can close whenever you want to. If you want to close quickly, we can make that happen for you. If you need more flexibility and you want to set a future date, we'll make that happen for you too. Whatever you want, you're in full control. The ball's in your court. So if you got a house in the Cleveland area and you're looking to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Like I said, I'm from Cleveland, but we were founded, our company, our business here in Columbus, and we're all over the whole state of Ohio. We have hundreds of reviews and testimonials we can share with you, and we're looking to treat you fair. We're like a neighbor. This is not some call center that's located in some foreign distant land or out of state or something like that. Be very careful with that stuff. When you talk to us, it's an easy conversation. We're going to make you a fair cash offer. If the offer works for you, great, we'll move forward. If the offer doesn't work for you, we'll shake hands, part as friends. It's not going to be a waste of your time or anything like that. In fact, we love people. We will help you. If we can help you with anything, even if we don't do business, we're happy to help you out. We've been around a long time, and we're happy to help you with anything that you might need. So our number, once again, 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perchin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.